Every night I rush to my bed with hopes that maybe I'll get a chance to see you when I close my eyes. I'm going out of my head, lost in the fairy tale. Can you hold my hands and be my guide? Clouds fill the wind, stars cover your skies, and I hope it rains. You're the perfect lullaby. You can be a sweet dream or a beautiful nightmare. Somebody pinch me. Your love's too good to be true. You can be a sweet dream or a beautiful nightmare. Either way, I don't wanna wake up from you. Or a beautiful nightmare. Somebody pinch me. Your love's too good to be true. My guilt and pleasure, I'm going nowhere. Baby, long as you're here, I'll be floating on there. Or a beautiful nightmare. Either way, I don't wanna wake up from you.
Venus! Hi, Venus! Kumusta ka? Ano pakiramdam?
I'm feeling good naman po, though may konting ubo pa rin po ako. Kasi nagkasakit po ako this past few weeks. And I believe na ibigay ko po yung performance ko. Na maganda.
Pakinggan natin ang ating Clash panel.
Nako, napaka-sexy ng iyong performance. Ikaw ngayon ang goddess of desire. Talagang umapoy ang pagka-Beyonce mo and pinakita mo talaga sa amin ang emotional duality of the song.
Emotional what?
Duality. The dual of the song. The pleasure and the pain of the song.
Grabe talagang ChatGPT today eh.
Oo, marami. Maraming dalawa telephone ko, no?
Grabe.
O, gusto ko nga tatlo pa o apat eh. Yun.
Venus, mag-agree ako sa kanya na para sa akin, fabulous ang itsura mo ngayon. Talagang bagay na bagay sa'yo. I really love na meron kang bagong treatment sa Beautiful Nightmare ni Beyonce. And ang galing nung placement na ginagamit mo, para siyang head tone na gano'n na parang may kasamang chest. Para siyang mixed, ano. You were able to sing every note na tama despite of your disability. So natutuwa ako, ang ganda ng boses mo. I love the tone of your voice. I love your vocal placement. And the way you express your song is just really nice. Thank you.
Alright. Venus, ako naman sa dami ng mga artistic and creative words na sinabi nila, no, na-pressure ako. So ang siguro gusto ko naman sabihin, para kang isang steady rock despite a flowing river. You were steady, you were calm, you were connected. Yung control mo sa boses mo ay talagang very, very sure. At binigyan mo kami ng maraming flavors sa pagkanta mo ngayon despite everything that has happened to you and in your life. And siguro nga, gusto ko lang din sabihin sa VTR mo, sabi mo, no? This is not just a nationwide show, pero the world can also watch it and the world is listening to you. Thank you.
Back when I was a child, before life removed all the innocence, my father she's dying to dance with my father again.
Philmark! Brother, daming nangilid yung luha. Siyempre, tanongin na natin ang ating clash panel kung ano man sabi nila.
Ganun pa rin, napaka-refreshing ng boses mo at saka bagay na bagay yung kanta mo. Actually, ramdam na ramdam ko yung pain na yung nangyari sa'yo, yung wala na yung... Oh, ako tuloy naiiyak. Kasi nawala yung papa niya. Naikwento mo sa amin yung childhood mo and yung memory ng papa mo with your song.
Thank you
And
so much.
thank you for that song.
Ang gustong-gusto ko sa'yo, you have that beautiful ability to connect your heart to your listeners. And yung tone ng boses mo, naiiba mo siya. Like, there's that last few lines na parang pabulong, na parang spoken. Malaki yung impact. So, doon sa pagkanta mo, na iiba-iba mo yung kulay ng texture ba ng boses mo. So, thank you so much for that beautiful performance of yours.
Alright. Tumahimik lahat at nakinig sila lahat sa'yo. At isa yon sa isang napaka-importanting factor in a performance, yung talagang ma-mesmerize mo lahat ng tao dito kasi nararamdaman nila ang bulong o sigaw ng puso mo sa pagkanta. At yun ang pinatunayan mo ngayong gabi. Salamat dahil hindi ka natakot sa pag-open up ng iyong nararamdaman at sa pag-control. Kasi lumalaban lagi yan eh. Ako minsan kapag naiiyak ako tapos kumakanta ako, may breaks sometimes because of the emotion. Pero talagang na-feel namin na na-control mo yun. Minsan nalalabas mo ng konti para may emotion. And lastly, mas may pressure no pag clashbacker. Kasi everyone has watched you guys already. And everyone will judge you a little bit more. Pero you just proved to everyone na how much you have grown. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.